Most women lead busy lives, caring for their families, their homes, their careers. They don't often think about their number one enemy, coronary heart disease, which causes 40% of all female deaths.
Women need to first of all understand that they are at risk and that it's extremely important for them to prioritize their own health care and their own preventative care.
Dr. Lauren Feinberg is head of the Women's Cardiovascular Program at the Cardiovascular Institute at Beth Israel Deaconess Medical Center. She and her colleagues offer up 5 tips for women to keep their hearts strong. First, get moving early, right after you wake up. Not only will an early walk, jog, or trip to the gym cause a surge of energy, it can protect your heart and potentially help in preventing diabetes.
There was a recent study that was published also that showed that people who exercise early before they've even eaten breakfast have less of a likelihood of gaining weight, and that their body's response to glucose or blood sugar by way of insulin is enhanced.
Next, for those who are overweight, cut 100 calories a day. It's not as hard as you may think.
That's probably half a bagel, a can of soda, 1 small cookie. And so by just cutting that amount out every day over the course of a year, you would burn enough calories to lose 10 pounds.
Dr. Feinberg says dropping just 10 pounds will help your heart work more efficiently, especially important for women who are postmenopausal when there's more likely to be plaque building up in arteries. Third, do something fishy. Omega-3 fatty acids prominent in certain fish like salmon and tuna can increase good cholesterol and circulation. It also can boost brain function, memory, and mood. 2 servings a week is enough, but check with your doctor if you're pregnant. If you can eat fish, fish oil capsules have been shown to have a similar benefit. Next, add calcium. This common mineral doesn't just build bones.
Calcium, through dietary means, has been shown to be associated with a lower risk of developing heart disease in large trials over time.
That means adding foods like low-fat dairy, broccoli, tofu, and almonds to your diet. A recent study suggested that there might be a link between calcium supplements and heart attacks, so it may be best to get your calcium through food sources. Finally, take ownership of your health. Schedule your workouts like you schedule everything else. Make sure you get your regular checkups and set aside time to relax every day, whether it's knitting or yoga, taking a walk, or reading.
There is clearly a link between stress levels and the development of heart disease. Women have to decide that that is a priority, and I know even for myself it's really difficult to find that little bit of time to just relax, make it part of your daily routine.